Hi everyone. So in this video, we are going to see how you can use the Excalidraw and draw.io to draw the diagram. We will be using here MCP server along with the cloud desktop. Let's go ahead and get started with this. You need to open your cloud desktop. Thereafter, here at the left side panel, you are going to have here a customize option. Click on customize, then you are going to have here connector. Click on the connector. Thereafter, you need to click on here a plus sign, then browse connector. In the browse connector, you are going to write here Excalidraw, and then you can just simply connect your Excalidraw here. Now this Excalidraw connector is connected with our cloud desktop. As you can see here, these are the options available with the Excalidraw. It can draw the diagram, it can read the diagram, it can export to the Calidraw, it can save the checkpoint and read the checkpoint. Thereafter, you need to come here at the chat window, and then you can just simply check your Excalidraw here. So click on the connector, then you are gonna see here Excalidraw. All right, now let's go ahead and ask our Excalidraw to draw here RAG pipeline. It is going to explain that in high level block diagram, how overall chunking, document ingestion, vector search, and everything is working. As you can clearly see, it has started here the RAG pipeline whiteboard diagram. We can see all of these things happening in live, and everything is being drawn on the Excalidraw canvas here. Indexing has started here, some documents are there, then the chunking, then final retrieval, etc. Everything is there. Once everything is done, thereafter we will be able to export this diagram in the Excalidraw website itself. Apart from that, sometimes you might see it is being drawn into a multiple canvas. That is because if something happens with the cloud desktop while it is drawing into the first canvas, it automatically starts drawing it into the second canvas. As you can clearly see here, RAG pipeline has been drawn here, and all the details you can see here below this particular diagram. Thereafter, you are going to have here multiple options. You can see it inside the cloud desktop itself, and you can edit it if you want. This individual blocks you can edit as per your choice. Apart from that, you also have here option to open it directly into the Excalidraw. So you can just simply click on there, and then you can finally open it into Excalidraw. Let's go ahead and open it as a link. Then it has opened here as a link in Excalidraw. Depending on your background, it is being shown here. Basically, the color is being shown. You can select whatever the color you decide. Thereafter, as per your choice, you can adjust it. You can select this everything here. Thereafter, you can also change its a text as well. So if I want to make a text something like this, I can make it, or I can make it something like this. Whatever is your choice, you can make it. Apart from that, one thing you will also notice here that sometimes it might not draw here a correct block diagram. So that is something which you have to pay attention here. Sometimes you might need to adjust it a little bit. Otherwise, most of the time it is perfectly fine, and it is extremely good in drawing the high level block diagram. And overall, I see it really fantastic. Once all of these adjustment is done, thereafter you can simply export this. You can export it something like this. Simply you can download it as a PNG, or if you want to keep the background, you can just select this one. You can keep the background. If you don't want the dark mode, you can select here the white mode as well. If you want to scale it into the larger version, you can just simply select here the scale versions as well. Then you can just simply download it as a PNG or whatever you decide to download it. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and quickly see the downloaded image. So here we have our downloaded image, and you can really see how good this particular image is. Now you can use this image wherever you want. You can use it into your project, into your website, or whatever you prefer. Now it is time to get started with our draw.io. So you need to come here at the GitHub draw.io. There are multiple ways to get started with the draw.io MCP server. So we are going to select here the simplest one. Basically, we are going to select here the MCP tool server, which is going to run locally with the cloud desktop. So you need to click on full documentation. Thereafter, scroll it down a little bit. Then you are going to get here the cloud desktop configuration. So you are going to select this one. All right. So I'm just going to select this one. Thereafter, I need to again come back here at my cloud desktop. Let's go ahead and close this. And if you come here at the customize panel, in the customize panel, go in the connector, and if you try to add here the draw.io, you will not get here the draw.io as of now. In future you might get, but as of now it is not there. So what are other options? You need to go inside the setting, basically inside the file, thereafter inside the settings, then you need to go inside the developer, then you need to edit your configuration file. So here you have cloud desktop config file, thereafter open it into the notepad. Once you open it, you are going to have here the MCP server as the empty list, empty dictionary. Thereafter paste the configuration which we had copied earlier. So you have here draw.io, command is going to be the npx, argument is going to be here draw.io MCP. Apart from that, you might need to also provide here -y so that it can install it automatically if it is not installed in your computer. Once everything is done, then you can just simply save it. Once you have saved it, thereafter click on here, thereafter close this. Once you have closed your cloud desktop, thereafter you need to restart it again. Now if you restart it, thereafter here in the connector you can simply see it here. Now draw.io is enabled for your cloud desktop. Let's go ahead and quickly test our draw.io MCP server capability. I'm going to ask here a simple block diagram, basically high level diagram for Docker container CI/CD pipeline with developer, GitHub Action, Docker Hub, AWS ECR, and Fargate. You need to also make sure here you put show me diagram link separately message as well, otherwise it might create a problem. So I'm just gonna run this. So it is gonna enable, first of all it is gonna put my draw.io's MCP server in action, then it is gonna draw it here with the XML file. Once everything is done, then it is gonna show me the final link which I can open it into the browser. Alright, so draw.io high level block diagram is completed. Here is the link. Either I can directly open it into a default browser, or I can just simply copy the link and then I can paste it into my browser. It is gonna open in app.diagram.net, and you can clearly see here Docker container CI/CD pipeline, and overall process have been explained here. You might see here a little bit overlap like we had seen previously with the Excalidraw. A little bit adjustment you might need to do here. Other than that, everything is perfectly fine and it is really working good. Once you have completed your little bit adjustment, thereafter you can really see it how good overall it is going to be. Once you have this one, thereafter you can just simply export this block diagram as per your choice. So you can just simply come here at export as, thereafter you can select your final version like PNG, JPG, or whatever you want. Thereafter you can select what kind of output you want, whether you want dark appearance or you want here light appearance. Let's go ahead and do it like this one. So basically I'm gonna get here a light appearance, then I can just simply save it, and then you can finally open it into your image viewer, Docker container CI/CD pipeline. You can clearly see how good it is actually. Alright, so that's all in this video, and if you have find out this video useful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. If you want me to make a video on a particular topic, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely try to make that as soon as possible. Bye bye, take care.